Hi guys, so if you've been following me you'll probably remember I had a little mishap trying to spray the wing myself, and it turned out not too good, but I've had another go. I had a run in the lacquer, so I'm going to show you how I got the run out and the polishing stage to try and blend it all in. So let's get cracking. Right YouTube, as you can see I've resprayed this wing now, but I've ended up with this run in the clear coat. The rest of it looks alright, good colour match, etc. So I'm going to try and get the bugger out now. Hopefully I won't end up going down to the paint. I've got to be very gentle. I'm going to start off with 1200. I think that's pretty much got it. So now what I'm going to do is get some very fine stuff and go over the whole panel and try and blend it all in. Pretty good now. So the way to tell if it will look good when it's polished is, well, what I've always done is this. Okay, cue the music. The original run was there and there's no sign of it now. So now we need to do is polish.